If, like me, you've got a ton of different websites you use a lot and you like to save and bookmark websites for inspiration, you're going to love today's deal. This is Bookmarkify. It's available via Early Bird. I'll put an affiliate link down below. And this is an extension for your browser, which gives you this page of bookmarks. So you add bookmarks to it. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then you get different views. So we've got a grid view. You can see I've already been adding some things. We've got triple, so it gives you three across. Long, which actually allows you to read a lot of the website. We've got full screen, which then just shows you the actual website. And what you'll notice on full screen is I can actually interact with the website. So I can scroll down, I can click the buttons. We've got mobile view, list view, and we've got a new free canvas view. So this is really interesting. We can just drag these around, make them a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. So this is how it works. Let's say you're on a website like LinkedIn and you want to save it into your system. You simply click on the little extension. You can tag it, and I would recommend doing that because that's how you can easily find things, by filtering by the tags. In this case, I don't have a tag for social, so let's say social media. I'm going to add that as a tag. You can add a description, you can add multiple tags, and when you're done, you simply click the Bookmarkify It button, and now you can see it's been added to my page. You can see the little tag down the bottom here, and I can scroll down so I can actually view my LinkedIn feed in this case. And then if I want to, I can simply press Early Bird, and that's bringing up the different tools I've got. Or if I need some stock music, I can swap to the music services I use. Not all websites work well with Bookmarkify. Melody Music, for example, when I added it, actually caused me to be unable to access my bookmarks. It kept taking me straight to the website, but I flagged it to the dev and he addressed that now. It doesn't show up properly, but that's okay because I will be using this in part just to find my music sites and go to them, and that's what this little button here does. But what is cool is if you want to, you can interact with the website. So especially on the music ones, if I want to check out music across different sites, I can come here, I can press play, I can listen to that on audio. I can then go over to upbeat, maybe not Christmas songs, but you get the idea. I can go in, I can check the different tracks and pick out ones that I want to use. So I've actually bookmarkified the early bird deal page. So this is it. I'm in Bookmarkify, but you can see the deal page. And the nice thing about this, it's very simple. There's only one tier and it's $49. That's it. It's just a one-off. But what's very cool about this as well, it's not just about organizing. If you are seeing sites that you like the design style of, a little button, we can press this and say analyze the website. It's now going to have a look at the early bird website and it's going to pull out different design elements. So you can see it's been built with WordPress. That's always handy to know. We've got a color analysis, brilliant, because sometimes I like to pull colors off websites. Secondary colors, we've then got the typography, the gradients. So you get a full color palette, the fonts used on a website. So if you really like the look of it and you're bookmarking these as reference for maybe your own site design, I think that's a really great option. It looks like there is a Teams option. I don't believe that's included. When I click Teams, it says I can get it for X amount per month, depending on how many users I want. But otherwise, I'm just on my own, so I'm not going to use that. Otherwise, everything else seems to be working great. You can delete the bookmarks if you're not using them. As I say, you can add tags. You can tag them with multiple tags as well. So I might have this tagged as SAS, but then I might also tag it as early bird as well. And I can see this being a super helpful way of organizing my workflow moving forwards. I just need to keep adding the new bookmarks to it. So if you want to check out this full deal page, then I've put an affiliate link down below. Let me know what you think in the comments.